Hello and welcome to our video on the content planning course,
where we'll give you a comprehensive guide on what content planning is and why it's important for your business. What is content planning?
Number 1.
Content planning is the process of strategizing, organizing, and scheduling content for your website, social media, or other online platforms.
Number 2.
The purpose of content planning is to ensure that your content is relevant, engaging, and effective in reaching your target audience. Why is content planning important?
Number 1.
With the abundance of information and competition in today's online world, it's crucial to have a clear and effective content strategy.
Number 2.
Content planning can help you save time and resources by ensuring that your content is aligned with your business goals and target audience.
Number 3.
By planning and scheduling your content in advance, you can also ensure consistency in your brand voice, style, and messaging. What will you learn in this course?
Number 1.
Our content planning course covers a range of topics, including Number 2. The basics of content planning and why it's important.
Number 3.
How to define your target audience and create content that resonates with them.
Number 4.
Strategies for brainstorming and generating content ideas.
Number 5.
Techniques for creating high-quality content that drives engagement and conversions.
Number 6.
Tools and resources for organizing and scheduling your content. Who is this course for?
Number 1.
Our content planning course is designed for anyone who wants to improve their content marketing skills, including
Number 2. Business owners who want to increase their online presence and drive more traffic and sales.
Number 3.
Marketers who want to expand their content knowledge and skills.
Number 4. Content creators who want to improve their strategy and results.
Number 5.
Anyone who wants to learn how to effectively plan and schedule their content for their personal or professional brand. Conclusion. Content planning is an essential aspect of content marketing,
and learning how to do it effectively can help you save time and resources,
and ensure that your content is aligned with your business goals and target audience. Our content planning course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in content marketing. So, enroll now and take your content game to the next level. Thank you for watching our video on the Plancontents. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below.